Hello and welcome to LawSikho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for today under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. And first of all, let's talk about the national news. Now at the outset, let's talk about the much anticipated decision of the Honorable Supreme Court with respect to judiciary aspirants. So the Supreme Court today this morning delivered its verdict in the case of All India Judges Association versus the Union of India. The bench comprising Honorable the Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai and Honorable Justices Augustine George and K. Vinod Chandran categorically held that a minimum practice of 3 years, it is required, it is mandatory for a candidate aspiring to join the Indian judiciary via the entry-level judicial service examination. Now this period, it is to be computed from the date of your provisional registration with the bar and not from the date of clearing the AIB exam. This is essentially done because you know how at times the AIB exam, it is held after a delay of some time. So in order to make sure that this delay does not give any disadvantage to the candidates, the date of provisional registration is kept for counting and reckoning for the period of practice. Also, please understand you have to secure a certificate if you're practicing in the High Court from an advocate having 10 years of standing and otherwise from the principal judicial officer. Also, so far as the recruitments which have already started, they will not be impacted, they will not be affected, and this judgment is going to have impact from the next recruitment cycle. So for example, states like Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and others which had already started, Himachal for that matter, the process of recruitment, they will or they can continue the recruitments. Moving on. Now let's talk about the other news headlines for the day. So the highly anticipated India-Russia Economics Summit 2025, it was recently conducted by the Global Economic Forum and it was concluded successfully at Moscow and St. Petersburg. Moving on, the Reserve Bank of India, it recently unveiled ₹20 banknote with the signature of the Governor Sanjay Malhotra. Next, from the world of finance, so the Investment Information and the Credit Rating Agency, it has changed its outlook for the telecom tower industry from negative to stable. Now for the sports corner for the day, so our Praggnanandhaa, who's the chess prodigy of our country, he achieved a major milestone in his career by winning his first ever Grand Chess Tour tournament, which is the Superbet Classic 2025. This was held in Romania. Now from the world of space and technology, so ISRO's 101st mission, it recently failed due to a malfunction in the PSLV. The External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, he recently embarked his 6-day visit to the Netherlands, Denmark as also Germany from 19th to 24th of May. That's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe until I see you tomorrow.